Going into my 18th season, I'm delighted because it feels like I'm 18 years old, as a matter of fact. I mean, I'm so motivated, I'm so much better in the physical condition than any other time, so I'm feeling good. The reason why I changed teams is first because I believe very much in Williams, and second because I'm still challenging my dream of becoming world champion, and I hope I can do with the team. There is a big difference from when I first drove the car to now. In two ways. In a way that the car is better, and in a way that I'm much more familiar with the car. Obviously the first 3 tests we put out all the efforts on reliability, and it was a case of run, and sometimes it was boring to run on the wet for such a long period, but I think that was the same for everyone on those days. And obviously on the last test we brought some performance on the car, some aerodynamic improvements, and I think the team has upped its game, but it's very difficult to draw a conclusion where the team is. I think it's much better that we keep our feet on the ground and know that we have improved a lot since the very first test, hoping for the better for the first race. Well, the 300th race, it's going to be a fantastic achievement. Having said that, my dream is to become champion. I mean, 300 is a good number, but I'll be fighting for the wins. It doesn't matter if it's going to be 289 or 300, 302 and 318. I hope I'm still competitive for a long time. I'm settling quite well with the AT&T Williams team. The team is very, very professional, very good on making things better for my request. So they have listened to me quite well to the problems I've told them. And the best thing they could do is to listen to me, because it's experience and motivation. I mean, when you have someone experienced but not going fast, you're going round circles. But I could show the team that I have a lot of speed on myself, and the fact that I comment on some problems, they go straight to the point and they improved. And I think in terms of setup and in terms of reliability, also the drivability of the engine, I think we've done a superb job. Cosworth is actually a super engine. They surprise me in a good way with no problems whatsoever. I mean, we had no reliability issues running the engine. And in terms of raw power, I think they're quite doing well. And I think the Williams-Cosworth combination is one of the teams that could have a good surprise in the season. I think it's going to be fantastic racing. You have people who are coming back, such as Michael Schumacher, which is well known in the business. We have new kids on the block coming on, and we have new teams. I think the rules will allow more overtaking, so I think Formula One can be having the best year so far. You know, looking to the end of the season, I will be happy to finish in the very first place. I mean, that's the aim. I mean, is that create any more pressure than the one that we have already? It does, maybe, but it's just words. We just have to sometimes shut and just drive fast. But I would be lying if my aim was not to win the championship and to win races. So I hope I can bring that good feeling back to Williams, and to keep rolling some more wins for myself.